Hello, this is footage from 1993 to 95 from Japan. When I was in Japan, this is Mr. Hiroshi Yamabe's laboratory. And this footage wound up in China. So, it's a video actually, and I'm doing a clip on it. I was in Japan, in Hiroshima City. Mr. Yamabe had a laboratory, a huge laboratory that created weird effects with two massive Tesla coils and an electrostatic generator. Okay, let's go to the next. More of these rounds type things. Okay. I'm sorry, I have no idea what this says, but it's part of the... I took screenshots of the actual video that aired on China. Somebody sent me a link to it. This is my host to Japan, to his laboratory, as well as lecture tours, TV interviews, and demonstrations. 94, 95 with Dr. Brian O'Leary, and first time with Yin. First time actually on his visit to me in 1993. Some of my footage. Oh, stop. Photo of me in Japan in Hiroshi Yamabe's big, massive laboratory. 95, I think. Okay. I'll put the link into the video, so if you want to watch the video instead of this nonsense, please do so. More of my footage was used in this particular, I believe, Chinese TV special with footage from Japan. Okay. What Mr. Yamabe is holding is a early ray gun that I sold him for $500 in 1993 when they visited me on my sister's property. Anyway, check the link and download it if you want to. I found it last night on my other old YouTube channel, Carla B. Conniption.